Eric, we're Radiator Grill Store here doing an install on a VW Golf R Mk8. And we've got the kit here. We've got the driver's side, a little bit shorter, and then we've got the passenger side here. And what we're going to do is we've already removed the 9 bolts that go underneath for that splash pan with a T25 Torx. And then we're going to be installing the included cable ties into positions here, 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 and here to help us create some handles to get these into place. Here we are. We have all of the cable ties installed as handles in the positions in the outer corners. We already removed some leaves from here. And what we're going to do is we're going to slide in these. We're going to flip them over and then slide them up through the splash panel, working our way into the cavity. And then we're going to slide it over to this side. Be careful of your parking sensor wires. This cutout is for them. And then we'll work the second one in, and then we will cable tie underneath these horizontal bars for strength. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to have the seam of the 2 grill panels will made up right behind this bar to hide the seam. Now we've pulled the grill up into place. You see how it perfectly fits right around the sensor and sensor wiring, and we've got it in front of this front lip. You want to pull up as high as you can, pull it over to the right, and then pull this in front of that lip. And at that point, we'll be able to sneak our cable ties in around the horizontal bars, hiding them, twisting the receiving ends towards the back, and then clipping off the tails. We are looping the cable ties. We're loosely connecting them, hanging them around just underneath these horizontal bars, and then we will start rotating and moving this receiving end towards the back so we can hide it back here. And we're going to be utilizing our handles to maintain alignment. But right here at that seam, we want to come around, we want to grab one of these, and then we want to grab over here and then align the seam behind this bar here. And then by connecting them together, we'll maintain that alignment, and we'll also maintain that seamless look. Once we have installed all the cable ties underneath all the horizontal bars, come in, clip off the tails, clip off the handles, and the install is complete. We have the outer grill here, and we have placed our handles up in the upper right hand corner, upper left hand corner, bottom left, and the bottom right hand corner. And we're going to be doing a dance straight through here. We're going to send it into the back as far as we can, and then as we're going to get towards this piece of plastic here, we're going to be pulling it in front to get it over to the side. So we're going to roll it in while pulling the outer edge in front of here to get it all the way to the left, and then we're going to tuck in this part here. So a little bit of a dance. Here we are rolling it into place. We pulled it past this plastic behind here, and now we're pushing the end in while pushing it this way. Pull this way, and then tuck that end in, and then finish off with some cable ties underneath the horizontals.